our hearts beat to the city street.
Good morning. I found this new market. It's a mixture of, fresh fruit and just food, everything. Just that real Thailand market. Until you guys go walk around, got my little iced coffee in the morning. They got some shrimp. Yeah, they have seafood, and I didn't think they would have seafood because it's pretty far from from those wet market. Oh, that looks good, huh?
Yes, that looks good.
Yeah, we missed it by a block. So this is 2 blocks away from Khao San Road. Yeah, there's more back that way, but I'm gonna walk back. I think that's for the Buddhist monk. I think that's for the Buddhist monk. Yeah. 'Cause I didn't think they have like the seafood, the fresh seafood, or the because you know how they have the wet market over there already. So what they got? This is seafood.
Yeah, so it looks like.
Oh yeah.
as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand